What's up, YouTube? Lord Xander here, coming to you with another video. All right, so quick question out there before I move on with providing kind of some updates and details of my AR-6 Stinger 2 compact. All right, so question to the internet here is, where can I find just these blades replaceable? All right, so these I noticed are compatible and fit on, most of these, off-brand arrows and even the name brand Steamboat arrows. Now, Steamboat itself doesn't sell just the blade, and these are glued in, so they're not like a, screw-in, type of I guess, arrowhead that fits in the shaft here. All right. But I also have not been able to find this little bad boy. All right, so this is a what's known as a replaceable broadhead. It's a 6.25 inch arrowhead tip that fits on your most brands of your pistol crossbow bolts. Now, I took one of the 6.7 inch, arrow and, made a little slight modification. So this, I can, so this is a laser bore sight. So I am planning to get my internal red laser and green laser light lined up properly. But with this little modification, I am able to get this fitted inside the internal magazine, and it fits pretty well. The negative thing about this I can say about this particular model is it kind of burns through those little batteries pretty quickly. But other than that, it works pretty well. Now, there's arrows that you can get, off Amazon or whatever that fit, but they typically have this type of screw. So I'm looking to find the replacement for my war bolts. I don't have any nearby, and I don't want to make this video too long, but they'll fit nicely in here. Oh, maybe I'll just grab them real fast. No point in talking about things that don't have a visual to make it make sense. All right, hang on a second. But anyways, sorry about the delay there, folks. All right. So, what's cool about the 3D printed tactical quiver, and they even have a version of getting the clips. These speed loaders fit pretty well. So I got a couple of these, and so these are the war bolts that that work well, and they're less expensive than these light war bolts by Steamboat. And like I said, they're compatible; they fit in there well. So I got 12 of these. I haven't even opened yet. And I got these, you know, bulk and tip ones to go along with my neon green one. So you get more for the money, but let me just put these on the side over here. I'm trying to find those other screw-in war bolts, so sorry about my discombobulation. Okay, cool. I can lube up the thing here, so I was looking for that. All right, so dang it. Anyways, I'll probably have to make another video and show you guys that later. But like I said, if anybody can point me in the right direction of getting just the blades or just these, that would be super awesome. All right, so let me just put these away real fast. Oh, I'm also going to modify the magazine lid here, because I can see there's no penny-royal. But I got this, so if I just you know, move this out of the way temporarily, I can probably put this long one and short one right here perfectly, and I could, if I wanted to mount a scope or anything else cool, that would be awesome. So I am planning to do that real soon, so keep an eye out for the video. And again, I do love Steamboat products. I'm not knocking them. They're of excellent quality. But I do want to, you know, hey, there's tariffs and stuff, and, you know, prices have gone up. Anyways, what I do want to let you know that these cutie limb blocks, they're pretty awesome, but like I said, they're like $22, $23. You know, so these 3D ones printed work fine, but you know, hey, I'd like, you know, if Steamboat were to send me you know, some free stuff, I wouldn't mind or be you know, too upset about anything there. But you know, they do have good products, and don't want to knock that, but you know, if you can save a buck here or there, especially in this economy, then that's not a bad thing. All right, so I'll work on getting my laser tuned, but I'm gonna lube my rail and my string here, and I'll be posting other videos soon. So thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and keep an eye out for details to the upcoming giveaway contest, where I'll be giving away my red 3D printed fully compatible with the AR series QD limb block, or not limb block, but tattoo quiver. Check out that other video, and we'll see you. Thanks for watching, and leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one. All right, love you lots. Bye bye.